Hi, welcome everyone. My name is John Kunyajayi. Welcome to Salesforce How To Series. In this video, you will learn with an illustration. The illustration says that create an opportunity through a screen flow, relate that opportunity to an account, and send below message through a custom notification to the account owner. The message says, hello, account owner, your opportunity has been created. Find the details below. Opportunity name is this, opportunity close date is this, opportunity stage is this. Have a wonderful day. In implementing this illustration, you will learn how to use get record element, create record element, assignment element, custom notification through action element. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when we post more videos on Salesforce How To Series. So let's jump into our flow, even as we begin the creation of the illustration requirement. Okay, so click create screen flow. Remember, we are sending custom notification, so there is a need for us to create custom notification. Just search for custom notification on setup and click new. So let's call it demo notification. So let's save it for the supported. Let's check both desktop and mobile and click save. All right, our custom notification has been created. So don't close this page. Just go back to your flow and click get record. Label it get notification. Object is custom notification. Okay. And the feed is developer name equals custom notification are created, the API name of what we created earlier. All right. And leave everything as it is. Click done. Okay, afterward, we need to do screen flow so we can create the opportunity. Let's call it opportunity info. In creating the opportunity, three things are very, very important, which is opportunity name. We're going to be using test components. Let's call it opportunity name. Let's make it required. Then we need close date. We're going to be using dates. Make it require. And we need stage. We're going to be using pick list. Opportunity stage. Make it required. We need to create new resource. Pick list choice sets. Let's call it stage. Object is opportunity. Data type is pick list and the feed is stage. All right, we are done with that. So the next thing for us to do is for us to create the opportunity. But before we create the opportunity, we need for us to create two variables. They are very, very important. The first one is record ID. So we can relate the opportunity to an ID, an account, a related account. Data type is test and is available for inputs. And the second variable we are going to be creating is a collection variable. We're going to be using it as a collection variable in assignment. So let's create a variable. Let's call it IDs. Data type is also test and is allow for multiple values. So you can take it as a collection variable. All right, so let's move on. So let's create our records, create our opportunity by using create records. Create opportunity. Use separate resource. The object is opportunity. And let's map what we created earlier. So start with name. Create an opportunity name earlier. We also do close dates. Create a close date earlier. We also do stage. We created opportunity stage earlier. And we are going to relate the account ID to the record ID that we created just now. Okay, so we are done with that. So the next thing for us to do is for us to get account details. We'll be using get records. Get account details. Object is account. And it's going to be ID. Account ID equals record ID. Let's move on. So the next thing for us to do is for us to do an assignment. We need to do an assignment so we can turn our variable that we created earlier to collection variables. We can use it in our action elements when we are sending notification. So let's do assignments. Let's call it assign ID. Assign ID. The ID that we created earlier. Add to we're adding it to get to notification type and ID. All right, so we need to actually change this. Supposed to be get account details, then owner ID. Okay, that's the right thing for us to pick. Okay, so let's click done. All right, so we are ready for our action element right now. So let's go for action element. So custom notification, send custom notification. Let's call it custom notification. All right, so custom notification type ID will be custom notification type ID. All right, so then the body, we need to create a test template, new resource, test templates. Let's call it notification body. So it's going to be plain text. So already have what we're supposed to put on our notification. So just go and copy and paste it. Copy it, then paste it here. All right, so you have, say, I account owner. So let's use user, $user, then first name. And then also $user, last name. All right, so it will be hello, account owner. The opportunity has been created. Find the details below and have a wonderful day. So that's what our notification body will say. And then we can title. There's a need for us to do another resource test template as well. It's called notification title. Say, let's do link test. Your opportunity has been created. Okay, let's click done. So recipient ID, target ID will be record ID. By recipient ID will be our collection variable that we created earlier. All right, so let's click done. We are done with all this kind of the sender and the targeted page reference. All right, so our flow is ready now. So let's save it. Let's call it custom notification flow. Custom notification flow. Let's save it. Let's activate it. Let's go to an account record page. Let's edit the page and put our flow there. There's a flow there before, all what we just need to do is for us to change the flow. Just change the flow to custom notification flow. Pass the record ID, very, very important, and save it. Has been saved, and go back. Our flow should be there now. Our flow is ready to be used. So let's say opportunity 101. Close date is close date is next month 2nd. Opportunity stage is decision makers. Let's click next. Immediately we click next, our opportunity should be created. Can see opportunity 101 decision makers, and it's closing next month. And then our notification should be given now. See this place, we have received a notification and it says your opportunity has been created. Hello, Ajayi Lukunle John. Your opportunity has been created. Find the details below. Opportunity name, opportunity close date, opportunity stage. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, so our opportunity name, close date, and stage is not populating. There's a need for us to check what actually happened there. Okay, that should be our body, application body. Oh, I didn't actually put it there. So let me quickly modify this. So opportunity name is what we created earlier. Opportunity close date is what we created earlier. Opportunity stage is what we created earlier. No, that's not it. Screen place. Supposed to pick screen components. Yes, that was supposed to pick. All right, so it's done now. Let's save it again. It's a new version. Let's activate it. Let's go back to our account and let us refresh. Now that we have refreshed it, we have to fill the form again. Opportunity 102, close date is end of this month, and is on needs analysis. And let's click next. So maybe we click next, our second opportunity should be created. You can see it, and then also our notification should have given us all the information that we need. John, your opportunity has been created. Find the details below. Opportunity name is this, which correspond to what we have here. Opportunity close is this, and opportunity close date is this. So through this illustration, I've shown you with an example or with an illustration how to create an opportunity, how to create an opportunity through a screen flow, raise an account, and send message to through a custom notification to the account owner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more more videos as we post them on the Salesforce How To series. Thank you for your time. Do have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.